Yo, what's up, Keith?
I'm in the building and I'm feeling like R.I.P. to the Mac, the R.H. Don't stop. Keep it going, keep it going. Hold it down for the bay. Oh, if it wasn't for that granddad smoking, I mean for sure. I mean for sure. Know what I mean for shit. I mean for sure. Know what I mean for shit. I mean for sure. Know what I mean for shit. I don't put that on, that's my word. I don't put that on, that's my word. I don't put that on, that's my word. I don't put that on, that's my word.
Hello everyone, I'm Tamra and we're Level 10. We want to bring our new dance to you. It's called Hyphy and the name of the song is Super Hyphy. So what we're going to do is we are going to show you the dance, but first I'm going to break it down for you and my crew is going to follow along so you can get the steps perfectly. Let's go, y'all. All right. Let's make a quarter left turn. This dance is a little different. We start facing the side walls. So we're going to start with our right foot, and it is a right coaster step, jazz box, step, scuff, step, together, and cross hands up. Can you guys follow along with me? Yeah. Let's go. We're going to slow it down for them, you guys. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and coaster step, jazz box, half step, scuff, step, together, and cross hands up. Hey! Very good. Next part of the dance is a full turn. We're going to paddle towards the back. Take your left shoulder to the back wall and all the way around. Full turn back to this wall. And we're going to go with our left. It's 1, 2, adding on, right point, left point, right point, back on your left, coaster step. And we walk up, right, left, right, left, right, left, out, in, step back on your left, roll it and tap. You guys ready? Yeah. Let's show them. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, right point. Come on. Left point, right point. Take it back. Coaster step. Right, left, right, left, right, left, out, in, roll, tap. Very good. Okay. Good job, you guys. Yeah. Okay, we ended here. And we're going to make a 3/4 turn. We're facing the front wall. So when we make our 3/4 turn, we step pivot half turn, and then we go into our quarter turn with a triple step. It looks like this. Step pivot and 1, 2, 3. So let me break that down for you. We're facing this wall. Everyone touch your right shoulder. Point to the wall that's facing your right shoulder. We're gonna start here and go all the way around, and we're going the long way. So let's show them how it's done. Step, pivot, half turn. Step, pivot, half turn. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So just to make sure, I want to review this part again to make sure you have it correctly. To remember, we're here. We're going to step pivot with our right foot. Right pivot, half turn. But remember, it's a 3/4 turn, and we're going to do a 3-step, triple step, and right, left, right. Okay, let's do that one more time. Let's step pivot. We're going into a 3/4 turn. We do a step pivot half, quarter, right, left, right, which is a 3/4 turn. You guys want to help me out here? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, step pivot, and right, left, right. Very good. Okay, now we're going to show you the next part of the dance. It's the second half of the dance, which is the exact same thing, except for the end, we do something just a little different. All right, we're starting all over with the back wall. You guys ready? Yeah! Very good. So this wall is the back wall. We just did the front wall, now we're doing the back wall. It's pretty much the same. At the end, it's a little different, but we're gonna walk you through it, right? Right. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and coaster step, jazz box, step, 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 together and cross hands up. 1, 2, right point, come on, left point, right point, take it back, coaster step, walk right, left, out, in, roll, stay there. Very good. From here, we're going to do a step, pivot, half turn, right, left, right. You guys ready to show them?
Yes.
Here we go. 5, 6, 7, step, pivot, half turn, right, left, right. It's time to boogie, y'all. 5, 6, 7, let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, left box and 1, 2, 3, half turn and 1, 2, 3, half turn and 1, 2, 3, half turn and 1, 2, 3, half turn. Now we start all over from the front wall, from the top. You guys, we are level 10, and this is hyphy. Give a round of applause.
Solo on the low, doing hella shit. I'm in the building. Hold it down for the Bay, rapping Oakland. If it wasn't for that granddaddy smoking, that's what I mean for sure. I mean for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. I mean for sure. Know what I mean for sheets. I mean for sure. Know what I mean for sheets.